If you're someone who's always on the go, keeping your oral hygiene routine intact can feel like a bit of a challenge. But what if there was a way to make it easy and convenient without sacrificing your health? Today, we're diving into a product that promises just that: GuruNanda's travel-friendly oral care kit. If you're tired of hauling around bulky oral care items that take up too much space or spill everywhere, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another honest review from Beautyistic. So what exactly does this kit include? It comes with a handy Ziploc pouch, making it mess-free and perfect for travel. Inside, you'll find a butter-on-gums toothbrush with 8,000 plus Softex multi-directional bristles designed for sensitive gums, a stainless steel tongue scraper, dual-action floss picks, and a coconut mint oil pulling sachet. Everything you need to keep your teeth, gums, and breath fresh while you're away from home. Let's start with the toothbrush. The butter-on-gums toothbrush is specially designed for sensitive teeth and gums, which I find really impressive. The bristles are incredibly soft but still effective at cleaning, and the ergonomic handle makes it easy to grip, even for those who have arthritis or other hand mobility issues. The best part? The brush comes with a cover that helps keep it clean and hygienic, perfect for when you're traveling. I tested this out on a recent trip, and I have to say, it made my brushing experience feel a lot more gentle and thorough. However, it does take a little longer to remove plaque compared to a more traditional toothbrush, so you may need to spend a bit more time brushing. The tongue scraper is another star of the show. Made from 304 medical-grade stainless steel, it's rust-proof, durable, and easy to clean. I love that it's spoon-shaped, which makes it very comfortable to use. I've noticed an improvement in my breath freshness after using it, and I could feel my tongue was much cleaner. This is a must-have if you want to take your oral hygiene game to the next level. If you've never used a tongue scraper before, I highly recommend giving it a try, especially if you struggle with bad breath. Then, we have the dual-action floss picks. These are so convenient, especially when you're traveling and don't want to deal with unwieldy floss rolls. The combination of Slide Easy Floss and the soft rubber interdental pick made it easy to get into tight spaces between my teeth. They worked really well for dislodging food debris and plaque, leaving my mouth feeling fresh. These are great for quick touch-ups, but I would still recommend a regular flossing session at home if you're able to. And lastly, the coconut mint oil pulling sachet. Now I have to admit, I wasn't a huge fan of oil pulling until I tried this one. It's infused with fractionated coconut oil and 7 essential oils, so it's a treat for your gums and teeth. After using it for a few days, I noticed my teeth felt smoother, my gums were less inflamed, and I even noticed a slight whitening effect. It's also good for your jaw health and overall gum care. It's a bit on the oily side, but the minty freshness helps balance it out, so it's not as intense as some other oil-pulling products I've tried in the past. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, everything in this kit is compact, travel-friendly, and highly effective in its purpose. The toothbrush, tongue scraper, and floss picks are all easy to use and gentle on the mouth. The inclusion of the oil-pulling sachet is a nice touch for those who want a deeper level of oral care. I also love how everything fits neatly into the Ziploc pouch, making it easy to keep everything organized. On the flip side, while everything works well, I do feel that the toothbrush could use a bit more scrubbing power. If you're someone who prefers a stronger clean, this might not be the best option for you. Additionally, the oil pulling can be a bit messy if you're not careful, so you'll need to take your time with it. When it comes to value for money, I think this kit is worth it. The convenience of having everything in one travel-friendly package makes it a great option for people who travel often. The quality of each item is solid, and you're getting good value for the price. That said, if you're not into oil pulling or floss picks, you may not find the same level of use from every product in the kit. Now, if you're someone who doesn't need all the items in this kit, you could easily find standalone alternatives. For instance, a regular toothbrush with a stronger bristle may suit you if you prefer something more powerful. There are also other tongue scrapers available at lower price points. But I will say that this one's durability and effectiveness make it a worthwhile purchase if you're looking for a premium option. The build quality is top-notch, especially the stainless steel tongue scraper. I love that it's rust-proof and easy to sanitize. The toothbrush bristles are gentle yet effective for most people with sensitive gums. Over time, I found the entire kit to be durable, and the packaging held up well in my bag. I did notice that the oil-pulling sachets were a bit of a one-time use thing, so you'll need to purchase refills if you plan on using them regularly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Overall, I think GuruNanda's travel-friendly oral care kit is an excellent choice for those looking to keep their oral hygiene intact while traveling. It's compact, effective, and well-suited for people with sensitive gums. If you're looking for a complete travel-sized oral care kit, this might just be the one for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.